Hello and welcome back to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach. And today, guys, we're going to be focused on some resistance band workouts for the arms. That's right. Hey, if you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts you'd like to see me do next. You know how we start this. Dance, 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 dance. Exercise 1, push-ups. Holding the resistance band with both hands, place it around your back and under your arms. Place palms holding the resistance band on the floor slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Start in a plank position. Lower yourself onto the floor until your chest almost touches. Then raise yourself back up to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 2, front raises. Hold the resistance band with both hands. Kneel on the floor and loop the resistance band under your knees. With your arms at your side, raise your arms straight in front of you until they're parallel with the floor. Your hands should be at shoulder level. Pause and lower back to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 3, lateral raises left hand. Hold the resistance band with your left hand. Loop the resistance band under your left knee. Keep your back straight. Leave your left hand down at your side and your right hand on your right hip. Laterally raise your left arm up from the side of your body. Your hand should be at your shoulder level. Pause and lower back to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 4, lateral raises right side. Repeat the same steps from the left side over to the right. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 5, tricep kickback right side. Hold the resistance band with your right hand. Loop the resistance band under your right knee. Bend over at your waist so your chest is parallel with the floor. Place your left hand on the ground underneath your left shoulder. Extend your right arm backwards and lock at your elbows into a 90-degree angle. Extend your right arm backwards until your arm is straight. Then lower back to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 6, tricep kickback left side. Repeat the same steps from the right side over to the left. Complete for 50 reps. Wow, guys. Another tough workout with resistance bands. Your arms should be burning. Hey, if you haven't already, please comment below for workouts you'd like for me to do next. As well, if you like the gear that I'm wearing, check out FequiereFitness.com and see apparels for you. Don't forget, coming soon, guys, will be our new non-medical grade workout mask. That's right, non-medical grade workout mask. Soon to FequiereFitness.com. Check out the website now and see what you can grab. And if you haven't already, guys, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the page. You know how we finish this. Dance, 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 dance.